we are in interrelationship between two-port network parameters. Already one video lecture completed. That is, we are converting Z parameters in terms of Y parameters, H parameters and T parameters. Now today we convert Y parameters in terms of remaining three parameters. So Y parameters into Z parameters. Y parameters into Z parameters. Okay, already we know the relation between Y and Z. Y is equal to Z inverse. So inverse the matrix here. Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22 is equal to 1 by inverse of matrix 1 by AD minus BC, D minus B minus C A. So according to that one, 1 by Z11 into Z22 minus Z12 Z21, Z22 minus Z12 minus Z21 Z11. Okay. Finally Y11 is equal to minus Z21 by delta Z. Y21 is equal to minus Z21 by delta Z. Similarly Y22 is equal to Z11 by delta Z. Like that you can convert, or we can express Y parameters in terms of Z parameters. Next we convert second, express Y parameters in terms of H parameters. Okay, for that one we know that basic equations in Y parameters. Mainly here the independent variables are I1, I2, Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. So these two are basic equations used in Y parameters. Similarly H parameters. Here in H parameters V1, I2 are dependent variables. H11 I1 plus H12 V2, then H21 I1 plus H22 V2. These two are H parameter fundamental equations. Now we have to express these two are basic equations in H. We have to represent these basic equations H parameters in terms of Y. Right? Here what are the Y equations? I1, I2 are the dependent variables. So here also in H we have to modify these 3 and 4 equations such a way that like a I1, I2 are dependent parameters or dependent variables. Now observe here in this case I1, I2, V2. Here in this case I1, V1, V2. Okay. From 3, what is 3 here? V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. From this H11 I1 is equal to here V1 plus V1 minus H12 V2. From that I1 is equal to V1 by H11 minus H12 by H11 V2. So we can express I1 in terms of V1 and V2. Okay, as a H parameter model. So here this is fifth. Observe here I1 is dependent variable in terms of V1 and V2. Okay. Further in terms of H model. Now from fourth, again here I2, I1, H2. From fourth what is fourth? I2 is equal to H21 I1. Okay, substitute I1 here. V1 by H11 minus H12 by H11 into V2 plus H2 to V2. Simplify this expression. H21 by H11 V1 minus H21 H12 by H11 V2 plus H2 to V2. This is I2. Simplify. Further simplify. I2 is equal to H21 by H11 V1. You take common here and plus V2 take common here. Then the expression here is H11 H22 H11 H22 minus H12 H21. Okay. Now here I2 expressed in terms of V1 and V2. I2 is the depends upon V1 and V2 again in H parameter model, right? Now here this is equation 5. Now compare it with Y parameter basic equations here. Okay, and 1 is equal to 5. This 1 is equal to this 5. Why? Because I1 depends on V1 V2. Here also I1 depends upon V1 and V2. From that, what is Y11? Y11 is equal to 1 by HY1. Similarly, Y12 is equal to minus H12 by H11. Next again compare here second, this one into this one. So second is equal to sixth. Second is equal to sixth. Now here Y21 I2 is equal to, so Y21 is equal to, observe here, H21 by H11. Then Y22 is equal to, this one Y22 is equal to, compare here, H11 H22 minus H12 H21 by H11, that is equal to determinant of H matrix by HY1. So like that you can easily convert Y parameters in terms of equivalent H parameters. So Y11 is equal to, here Y11 is equal to 1 by H111, Y12 is equal to minus H12 by H11, Y21 is equal to H21 by H11, and Y22 is equal to determinant of H, this one is determinant of H matrix by H11. Now in last one is convert Y into ABCD parameters. And third conversion is Y parameters in terms of T parameters. Okay. Now here same as previous procedure. First of all write basic Y equations, Y parameters equations. Mainly here I1, I2. I1 is equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. These are the basic equations used in Y parameters. Similarly, H parameters. Here in H parameters, T parameters are ABCD parameters. Here V1, I1, v1 is equal to a into v2 minus b into I2, c into v2 minus d into I2. So these are the basic expressions used in T parameters or ABCD parameters. This is third and this is fourth. Okay. Now we have to express, we have to convert this basic equations in T in terms of y. That here, what here y in y parameters, I1, I2 are the dependent parameters. Similarly, we can express third and 4 or convert third and 4 as I1, I2 are dependent parameters. Observe here, from third, what is third? V1 is equal to a v2 minus b I2, and here bi2 is equal to, we take this side and this one, bi2 is equal to minus v1 plus a into v2. So I2 is equal to minus 1 by b v1 plus a by b v2. So one variable completed. So we expressed I2 in terms of v1 and v2. Okay. From 4, so this is 5. What is 4 here? So this is 4. I1 is equal to CV2 minus D I2. Write down I2 here, minus 1 by B V1 plus A by B V2. Simplify, I1 is equal to C into V2 minus plus D by B V1 minus AD by B V2. Further simplify, I1 is equal to take common here, I1 is equal to D by B V1 plus C V2 minus AD by B V2 plus B BC V2 minus AD V2. This is as it is D by B V1. Further simplified, D by B V1 plus, take V2 common here, BC minus AD by B. Okay, this is I1. Now this expression is 6. Now compare it with 5 and 6 with 1 and 2. Now here I1 is equal to, it depends upon V1 and V2 here. Similarly first this one and this one. So 1 equal to 6. So from that, what is y11 is equal to D by B. Then y12 is equal to BC minus AD by B. Now compare 5 with 2 and 5. So 2 equal to 5. So now y21 is equal to minus 1 by b, y22 is equal to a by b. Okay, like that you convert, or you can express y parameters in terms of ABCD parameters or D parameters. The final conclusion in y parameters converted into all other parameters. Here y matrix y11, y12, y21, y22. In terms of z, y11 is equal to z22 by determinant of z matrix. Similarly, y12 is equal to minus z12 by determinant of z matrix. Similarly, y21 in terms of h matrix, h21 by h11. y22 is equal to determinant of h matrix by h11. Similarly, y11 in terms of ABCD parameters, y11 is equal to d by b, and y11 d by b. y12 is equal to bc minus ad by b. y21 is equal to minus 1 by b. y22 is equal to a by b. Like that, you can easily convert one parameters in terms of remaining all other parameters. Okay, this is b, a by b. Okay, like that, you can easily convert one parameters in terms of remaining three parameters. In last class, we convert h parameters into three, z, y and t, and finally t parameters in terms of z, y, h. Thank you.